ISO certification is an internationally recognized standard that ensures businesses meet quality, safety, and environmental benchmarks. Whether in manufacturing, services, or trade, ISO helps streamline processes and boost credibility. For Ethiopian businesses, ISO certification opens doors to new markets and enhances regulatory compliance. It increases customer satisfaction and serves as a mark of excellence, setting you apart from competitors. The process is straightforward with the right guidance. Start with a gap analysis to assess current processes. Prepare necessary documentation. Train staff and implement ISO standards. Conduct an internal audit to check compliance before the final certification audit by an accredited body. Celebrate your achievement once you receive your certification. Partnering with an experienced certification body like Popular Cert ensures a smooth process. They provide end-to-end support, from training to audit, helping Ethiopian businesses achieve ISO certification efficiently. Take your business to the next level with ISO certification in Ethiopia. Build trust, improve quality, and expand globally. Get certified today. Visit www.popularcert.com for a seamless certification journey.